YouTube handles. What are they? And here's how to use them. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so recently YouTube has released the new YouTube handles thing, and eventually everybody will have access to a YouTube handle. So before we get into it, what is a YouTube handle? Basically, it's like a unique username. Now, if you notice, or maybe you didn't notice, there can be many channels, YouTube channels, with the same name, like the exact same name. But with a YouTube handle now, you won't be able to do that. It's like on Instagram. If someone takes the name on Instagram, you have to change it. You have to add a period, a number, a dash, another word, because that one's already taken. So that's similar to what's happening here with YouTube. They're wanting to create unique handles / names for every channel. And I get it because, people can have the same channel name, but with this, they won't have the same handle name. All right, so let me go and change mine because this is not the one that I wanted. So you can see here that it says your handle is reserved. Your handle is @ and this used to be our old business name, but I actually want to change that. So before I click change handle, they have a whole page of stuff. There's a video there, and you can really dive into what it actually is. But like I said, essentially it's just a username. And so I'm going to click change handle, and this is going to come up and it's going to say you can pick a different handle or create your own. And our old URLs are still going to work. So I actually want to change our handle to essetinomedia. It's going to give me a green check mark, which means it's still available. And I'm going to click confirm selection. All right, so now it says you've successfully selected your handle. Handles will start appearing on YouTube later this year. Your channel has a new URL. It is youtube.com/@essetinomedia, and our existing URLs will continue to work. So I'm going to click got it. And so now it says @essetinomedia, and this is our URL. And if I click copy, and I'm going to open a new window, an incognito window, and then we'll just paste it, click enter. And there we go. It goes to the home page of our channel. So it's cool that they've done this. They're definitely making it a lot cleaner and easier for people to find specific channels. And like I said, it says here, unlike channel names, handles are unique to each creator. So that's what I was saying. People can have the same channel names, but you won't be able to have the same handle names. And if you scroll down on the page, it's saying things like things you can do with a handle. Get noticed in shorts, and it's saying like it'll appear at the bottom, and it says you can identify yourself in a unique way. I'm not sure which browser that is, if that's probably YouTube. And people can tag you in videos. That's going to be cool. So if you do a collab, then you can easily tag people. And of course, because you have a unique handle, people can find you more directly on YouTube. And it says here, connect with others in the YouTube community. So that's YouTube handles in a nutshell. I would suggest choosing yours, otherwise they will set one automatically for you. And of course you can use the new link that you have to get to your YouTube channel and change it up on your social media profiles. All right, that was it for this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.